A Jamaican doctor has pleaded guilty in a massive fraud case involving approximately 600 million Jamaican dollars. 30-year-old medical Dr. Chloe Duet was convicted in the St. Catherine Circuit Court after admitting to her involvement in an elaborate mortgage and real estate scheme. Investigators say the operation lasted about 14 months, beginning in January 2023, and the alleged scheme was straight out of a movie. According to investigators, the group created fake driver's licenses, birth certificates, marriage certificates, and taxpayer numbers using dozens of fictitious identities. Those documents were allegedly used to target upscale properties in St. Andrew. The fraudsters would reportedly apply for replacement land titles, claiming the originals had been lost or damaged. Then, the property could allegedly be sold, using a fake identity, with a mortgage loan obtained from a bank. One accused, Dwayne Pitter, allegedly used the name O'Dane Anthony Laws to secure 352 million Jamaican dollars in mortgage loans from 4 banks in just 1 month. Duet pleaded guilty to 7 offenses connected to the fraud scheme, along with a separate firearm-related offense. 3 other people were also arrested and charged, but their cases are still pending. So how did a scheme involving hundreds of millions of dollars and upscale Jamaican properties operate for so long? That's the question investigators are now trying to answer.